how to turn on or turn off my phone calendar on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Here click on calendar app. After click on calendar app, click on this three line icon and click on settings icon. Now in calendar settings, scroll down and click on manage calendar. After click on manage calendar, you will see my phone is here. If you want to turn on or turn off manage calendar, my phone. If you want to turn off my phone, so turn off this button. After turn off this button, you will see my phone is turned off. If you want to turn on my phone, so turn on this button. After turn on this button, you will see my phone is turned on. So you will turn on or turn off my phone from here. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can turn on or turn off my phone calendar on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.